In this video, I'll show you how you can fix sound and audio errors in Throne and Liberty. Now the first step is you want to head over to settings, and from in here you want to head over to the sound. What you want to do is make sure this one is turned up and your basic volume settings is on general. Now after that, what you want to do is you want to make sure that these are not muted right here, as you can see. And you can also check that none of these are muted. After that, head over to voice chat. Obviously, if you're on voice chat on, you need to enable it here and choose your correct microphone. Now, once you make sure all of that is selected and you have not muted up here, this icon is not muted, what you want to do is we want to come down here on our speakers, right click and go to sounds. Now, after this, we want to come in here, head over to playback and select that you have the correct device default. So this one is my default device and this is my speakers. So I'm going to make sure this one is set to default. If any of the others for you or this bar is moving when there's sound playing, you can go open Spotify or something and check if one of these are moving up in green. That means that one is working with sound. So you can select that one and set it as default. After that, you want to right click on it, go to properties and levels and make sure this one is not unmuted. After that, what we can do is right click down here, head to open volume mixer, and from in here make sure this one is turned up and is not muted. As you can see, there's a little green bar, which means there's sound coming from this one. After that, you can right click here and go to sound settings. If you're on Windows 11, I think it's just called volume. And in here, you want to make sure you have the correct device here, as well as if you come down here, on Windows 11, this should already be opened. But in here, you want to come to your game and make sure this one is set to either your default device or the correct device. So if it was this one, it would not work for me. If this still doesn't work, what I suggest you do is come down here and search for device manager, open it up, and from in here, we want to find our audio inputs and outputs. You want to right click on all your speakers and update the driver. After that, what you can do is search for troubleshoot down here and go in here and press additional troubleshooters. What you want to do is find playing audio, click on it and run the troubleshooter. Once you've done all of that, you can check if you have a Windows update. Take that one if you have one. Otherwise, I suggest you restart your PC and check if it works now. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.